are just simple sewing ones. And these two little ones embroider and sew. So they have the smaller hoops. Now these you do for a lot of quilters. A lot of quilters that love just the simple and that has a few alphabets. It has scissors so it cuts the thread. Then this one's similar except for it has more designs for the quilters. So they can put more designs on their quilts.
Wow.
And Ventura. There we go.
It's nice.
Yeah. This is one I tell the young people to start with, because that way they'll learn all the techniques and stuff, and then they can upgrade to the bigger ones.
It is nice.
Yeah. You can see how big the hoop is.
Mm-hmm.
It does the big hoops. It does. It'll scan for you, and see, like they scan this,
Mm-hmm.
and
Oh.
and it embroiders it.
It's
You
nice.
just put the colors in you want. Like I said, it scans, so then you put your design in you want. It digitizes it, everything. Bottom and the top. Yeah, that's what this does. A little girl was cutting it. Ran out of thread. But that's what it does. So that, you know, on quilts, how they have different designs on it after it's all done, that's what this does.
Oh.
It's a quilting machine. Yeah, it only embroiders, but it does other things with the embroidery. In fact, let me put some up here so it looks good.
Oh, wow.
It does all those things.
It's quite a bit.
Mm-hmm. That one's the top of the line. But see, they thread themselves. I got this one, that's how I know. I mean, there's so many things to learn. Do you sew at all?
I sew a little bit, but level though.
Yeah, but if you have a serger, I'll tell you what, you can do almost anything. My boss did a whole wedding dress with it, with lace and everything.
Wow.
Yeah, she did the whole thing.
Starting a studio, and I needed a place for seamstress. You would recommend seamstress and designers. You would recommend that I get a regular sewing machine and a serger.
And a serger, yes.
Okay.
And then if you want embroidery, you need an embroidery machine. So,
Oh,
or you
okay.
can do that embroidery and sewing, like one. AccuQuilt.
AccuQuilt.
AccuQuilt. Watch how this works. This is for quilters. See if she's got any more material back here. Well, we'll just pretend. But let me do this one, make this smaller. You put the material on there, and it cuts the fabric for you. You can do up to 6 layers. Pull it out, and it cuts it for you.
Wow.
We've used it a lot, you can tell. But yeah, so because like they got triangles, they have all different designs. See, we've got a whole bunch in here where they've already been cut. Then
And so you could cut your design.
yeah, and then sew it together, whatever you want to do. Mm-hmm. Oh, there was a piece of fabric. Yep. I've already used mine, I don't know how many times, but I did a whole quilt already, just with triangles. A whole quilt. You sew two different things together. I got a whole quilt done already.